Before I show you guys this, I went a little overboard on the rust. So it didn't quite turn out like I wanted it to, but it is rusty. So let's take a look. Oh, I promise there used to be a card here, but now, yep, just all rust. Well, back to the drawing board. Okay, let's use this one. How about this 57 Chevy? I've already actually started it. It's got some messed up front end on it from, looks like a dog chewed it up possibly. The windshield is broken. And yeah, it seemed like the perfect one to use. So what I think I'm going to do is, this one is going to be a gasser that has crashed into the wall. It caught fire. That's why the windshield's broken. Because I cannot, whoever glued this sucker in, it's going to break half the body off if I try to get it out any further. Same with you can see where the back one kind of was broken out and it's starting to chip away at the body. So I'm just going to leave that alone. So I was trying to think of, well, what heck, what would make that break out? Heat would make it break out. And so I figured, well, let's have a car fire. Why not? If we're already rusting it. So what I'm going to do is just kind of, I think I'm going to actually light a piece of plastic on fire, maybe some sprue or something. And a lot of times that smoke is perfect for something like that, because whatever it hits, it's kind of a black smoke, and whatever it hits, it will actually stay on. So I'm hoping, I'm going to try that, and hopefully it works, but that's after, I think I'm going to take one of these fenders off and try that, kind of the tinfoil trick where they cut this out and then make tinfoil and make it the same shape and then dent it all up. I thought that would look pretty cool. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think. So next thing is, I got a real quick thing, call out to Hanging with Mr. Seeds, Gary. If you haven't checked out his channel, you got to check it out. He's got some of the most amazing paintings, model car paints. Just the way he paints is just incredible. So it's Gary's Model Cars at yahoo.com is his email. But if you want to check him out on YouTube, just go at Hanging with Mr. G Seeds, and it will take you right to his site. And I believe he actually drew this also. Yep, he did. Multi-talented man. Does amazing paint jobs. So check him out. Hey, Gary, I'm sorry you sent this to me actually quite a long time ago, and I'm sorry I didn't get to it sooner. I just found it actually my wife just found it in a drawer, and because I didn't think that I had actually even had it. She's like, oh yeah, I put it in there months ago. I'm like, oh. So anyway, this is Gary's old card. If you want a new card, just get on his channel and ask him for one, and he will send you one ASAP. So that's it for now, guys. Mars, I will definitely looking forward to this build. It looks like a real fun one, so I'm glad you mentioned it for everybody, and I will talk to you guys soon.